The Post is an editorially independent, student-run publication on campus. The Post has given me an opportunity to get great reporting skills, get live field skills, as well as an opportunity to learn how to copy edit, to use social media, a whole wonder of incredible skills to put me further in my journalistic career.
I joined the Post my freshman year after seeing them at the involvement fair. I would write maybe 2 to 3 stories a week, but I thought it was still a great experience to learn how to time manage. It gave me a feel for what will actually be expected out of me after college as a journalist.
My job as multimedia director at the Post was to oversee content, specifically web and video content, occasionally some social content, which was video, make sure that deadlines were being met and meeting a quota of things getting done throughout the week. So just having that experience and being able to be in this position to where I had, that exposure to something like this is really fantastic and an opportunity that people at a high university have. Being able to kind of manage projects and stay on top of things, and of course work with other people on projects, and just really a fantastic experience at the Post, and I would definitely recommend it for anybody who's looking to get involved with creating videos.
My freshman year I wrote something like 100-some stories because I was so eager to get my feet wet and jump right in and learn everything about journalism. And I had a great time learning about interviewing, how to write a proper lead and nut graph, and great mentorship from some upperclassmen. Because of the fundamentals that I learned through my schoolwork and at the Post, I went on to intern twice at the Columbus Dispatch and once at Politico in Washington, D.C. I recommend that you join the Post if you're really interested in learning about how to write good, factual, hard-hitting pieces, as well as some investigative pieces or some fun things too. They've got a staff for everything.